In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply a formula to multiple rows in a Google Sheet. It's real quick and easy. You just select the cell where the formula exists, click and drag from the little handle in the bottom right hand corner of that cell, and the formula will magically be applied to all the new rows that you select. Let me show you an actual example here. So in my last tutorial, I kind of showed you some data, how to create a formula. And if we double click in here, you see how we have this formula that is in here. It's giving you the answer to the formula. We're adding these two columns together and then dividing by 2 to get an average. And so if I just select the cell, I have the little handle in the bottom right. I'm just going to click and drag, and voila, it is applied to all the rows in both of these columns. And you are getting the formula now custom to each of these rows. So it's B5 instead of B2. I hope that was helpful. I know a lot of people, it's not so obvious that that's the way to do that. But once you're shown, you see how easy it is and you'll never forget it. Thanks.